Auto TV, I am Ruchi Sharma. Metaplanet Incorporation, a major Asian Bitcoin holder, is aiming to accumulate 100,000 BTC by 2026, pivoting towards a Bitcoin-centric treasury model. The plan involves issuing 555 million new shares to raise capital for this aggressive accumulation. CEO Simon Cherovich highlighted Bitcoin's growing role in global finance as the core reason behind this bold strategy. The shift marks a decisive move away from traditional asset reserves, with Metaplanet positioning itself as a long-term believer in Bitcoin's future value. Tether CEO Paulo Ardoino dismissed IPO rumors, stating there's no need for the stablecoin giant to go public just days after Circle's successful New York Stock Exchange debut. While analyst John Ma suggested a $515 billion valuation for Tether, Ardoino considered the figure conservative, citing Tether's growing Bitcoin and gold reserves. He emphasized that Tether's financial strength negates the need for public listing. The comments underscore Tether's strategy of private dominance over public scrutiny, contrasting with Circle's approach. Crypto exchange Gemini has filed confidentially with the SEC for an IPO following Circle's successful public listing on the New York Stock Exchange. Circle stock surged 167% on its debut, prompting other crypto firms to consider public markets. Gemini's move signals growing confidence in regulatory clarity and crypto's mainstream potential, especially with favorable political conditions. While details remain under wraps, this marks another key moment in the race for institutional legitimacy among crypto companies. US-listed spot Ethereum ETFs have achieved a record-breaking 15-day inflow streak, adding $820 million since May 16 and totaling $3.33 billion in cumulative inflows. This follows Ethereum's near 40% price rally over the past month. BlackRock's ETHA ETF led the surge with $600 million in inflows. While inflow pace has slightly slowed, the consistent demand from institutions and retail investors marks growing confidence in Ethereum-based financial products. Deutsche Bank is actively exploring stablecoins and tokenized deposits as part of its digital asset strategy. The bank may either issue its own stablecoin or join a consortium, according to Sabi Behzad, head of digital asset transformation. As regulatory framework in the European Union and US take shape, traditional banks are aligning to enter the crypto fintech space. The move aims to modernize payments, reserve management, and digital banking in a regulatory compliant environment. World Liberty Finance, with backing from Eric Trump, has acquired the official Trump meme coin in a strategic partnership. As part of the deal, the Trump meme wallet project, previously planned with Magic Eden, has been shelved. WLFI will hold a significant portion of Trump tokens in its treasury. The partnership signals consolidation of Trump-related crypto ventures under WLFI, focusing on long-term brand alignment rather than fragmented efforts. Japan has introduced a strict new crypto law aimed at protecting investors and strengthening transparency following a $305 million exchange hack. The law mandates domestic storage of customer funds, enhanced AML standards, and formalizes crypto use in apps for purchases. It also updates stablecoin regulations to ensure proper issuance and operation. The move marks Japan's commitment to secure and regulate digital finance as the global crypto ecosystem grows. Argentina's Anti-Corruption Office has cleared President Javier Milei of wrongdoing in promoting the Libra cryptocurrency. The post, made from his personal X account, was ruled a private act, not an official government endorsement. While a separate criminal probe continues, the ethics review concludes that Milei did not misuse state resources or violate public trust. The scandal, dubbed CryptoGate, drew significant media and legal attention, but currently leaves the president unscathed. BIT Global, a firm linked to Tron's Justin Sun, has dropped its lawsuit against Coinbase over the delisting of WBTC shortly after Coinbase launched a rival product, CBBTC. The case was dismissed with prejudice, barring future litigation, and both sides will bear their own legal costs. Coinbase's legal team cited the dismissal as a victory for customer safety and regulatory prudence, reinforcing its right to manage listings based on perceived risk. Vanik, 21 shares, and Canary Capital have petitioned the SEC to reinstate the first to file, first to approve principle in ETF reviews. The request follows perceived inconsistencies in the approval timeline for spot Bitcoin ETFs. The firm argued the reinstate rule would enhance fairness, encourage innovation, and reduce regulatory uncertainty. The petition seeks to influence how future Ethereum and crypto ETF applications are handled. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mrutu Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.